Hi guys, we're here today at 10909 164 A Street, this beautiful Foxridge built home in the prestigious area of Fraser Heights. As you walk in this beautiful Foxridge home, you're greeted with a spacious foyer, vaulted ceilings. This property sits on a 7,000 plus minus square foot lot with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a west-facing backyard, and much more. This late 90s built home has no expense spared on the rentals. The homeowners have been taking care of it throughout the years. Recently remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. No expense has been spared. Why don't we go outside and take a look at the backyard? This beautiful west-facing backyard has a built-in natural gas fireplace along with a barbecue, perfect for entertaining with all your family and guests. Upstairs we have a spacious master bedroom with a 5-piece ensuite, 2 additional bedrooms, a washroom, and my favorite part right behind me is an office space which can be converted into a 4th bedroom if you like. This fully finished basement is perfect for entertaining. We have a built-in gas fireplace with river rock. Right behind me is this gorgeous bar. We do have a separate entrance down here with a washroom, so if you do want to convert this into a basement suite, you can for that rental income. For more information on this gorgeous property, give me or Jas a call, or you can come out to our open house this Saturday and Sunday. Looking forward to seeing you guys there.